Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to continue with our lesson, that is lesson number 11, construction. So in earlier video we have seen how to construct a segment, then its bisector, even the how to construct the different types of angles with the help of compass and pencil. Then we have seen its bisector also, how to bisect a given angle. Now let us continue with the same, that of the construction of triangles. Now when we are the construction of triangles everyone knows, but it is slightly different when some conditions are there. See here, total 4 types of construction of triangles we are going to see. So out of that, very first one is construction of triangle when its base and sum of the other 2 sides is given. A triangle has what? Total 3 sides, right? No? So out of that, this is what? A base is given, and these remaining 2 sides, right? So these 2 sides, what they will give? Sum, addition of these 2 sides they will provide us, and one base angle are given. So out of these 2 base angles, any one angle will be given, right? Either this or this. These 2 are the base angles, right? So this is base angle. This is also base angle. So let us see how to construct this when such a type of condition is there. So I have written here one type of a sum. So construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equals to 7 cm, BC plus CA equals to 9 cm, and angle A is equals to 45 degree. Right? So this construction we are going to see. It is similar to this, means this type of example I have taken. So I hope that everyone is seated with the means along with the compass, pencil. 2 pencils keep it with you, sharpen pencils. Then notebook also take along with you, and textbook also keep it with you. Right? Now let us construct very first. So for this, now you will say, ma'am, whether we will require a rough figure or not. So we will draw a rough figure also. So see that rough figure, it will be not exactly as that of the here. So I'll draw here one rough figure. It will be, see, very first we will draw base. So base we will label as AB. So which is equals to 7 cm. Then angle, 45 degree angle we are going to draw. So that 45 degree angle here we will show. And that BC plus CA. So we will get here somewhere like this. Now BC plus CA we are not able to show. Just only I have here, for my understanding or your understanding, I have drawn here that C point. Actually this C point how we will get, let us see. So very first take a scale. To scale, from that we will draw a base, that of the 7 cm. So first mark 7 cm distance on your notebook with the help of pencil. Don't use pen for construction. We'll label it as A, B, 7 cm. Now what? The next step is what? We are going to draw that 45 degree angle. So we will take a sufficient distance in a compass, not too much more or not too much less. So we will draw likewise one semicircle. Now we will put here compass and will mark. Right? So likewise we got. Now 45 degree is what? How can be able to draw directly 45 degree with the help of compass? No. So for that purpose what? We have to show 90 degree, and 90 degree we will bisect. So we'll get what? 45 degree angle. So let us draw. Here we will keep, and here we will have that of 45 degree, 90 degree angle first. Now this is not the actual angle which is required for the construction, right? So we will show it by dotted line and just draw a smaller line for it. Right. So we got that of this 90 degree. Now this 90 degree we are going to bisect. So change the distance now. You can change 90 degree, that ray it has just cut over here. So we will put our compass metal point on this point and we'll draw one arc. Now another on AB, that arc has cut over here. So we'll put and we will draw that intersecting arc. Now whatever you have got this, so this one, draw it what? A darker line. Got it? Because it is what? 45 degree angle is now formed. If you put a protector here and you measure, you will come to know that this is what? Exactly 45 degree angle. Don't use protector to draw this angle. Only to make sure you can use it. Now what we will do? How we will show this 9 centimeter BC plus CA? We want this BC and CA separately, right? No? So this BC plus CA is 9 centimeter, no? So that distance we are going to take in a compass. 9 centimeter distance, take it in a compass. So this is 9 centimeter distance. So put it compass metal point on A and mark on this, right, and label it as this point as D. This is not your C, right? So we will join this now. Now I am joining it with the help of another pen for make you understand. For that purpose I am joining, right? So this is BD I have joined. Now what next? We are just going to this whatever segment is here. Just look at towards this green line, right? So this segment we are going to bisect. So let us bisect it. So we will put like this compass, more than half. We'll take a distance and we will mark a arc, right? Now on D. BD we are bisecting, that's why we are putting one time at B and one time at D. Just put it that compass and mark it. Here I got. So we will join it with the help of scale. This one again you can show with the help of dotted line. Right. Now see, this whatever bisector we have drawn for this segment BD, it cut AD or DA at this point, right? So this point is nothing but your C point. Now we will join this C and B. So we will get that triangle ABC. Got it? So this is how we have done the construction for that of triangle ABC. So now whatever the part you will get over here, see, this one and this one will be equal, right? So understood how to construct it? I'll repeat it again. The construction of a triangle when base the sum of the other two sides, right? Sum of means this or this side की addition दी थी. So we are just going to add them. Means add them means that addition is already given 9 centimeter. So 7 centimeter first we will draw. After that we will draw 90 that of 90 degree angle. 90 degree angles line I have shown smaller one because it is not a part of that triangle construction. So it will be helpful to only draw 45 degree angle. That's why. So 45 degree angle we construct. Now we have taken 9 centimeter distance in a compass. So put it your metal point on A and 9 centimeter का हमें marking करना है. Now join this B and D. This is not your C point, right? This is the different point we are getting. That is the D. We will get now. We are going to draw bisector of BD. That of the third line, right? सेकेंड लाइन हमने की है जो सम ऑफ टू साइड्स ड्रॉ की है और थर्ड साइड जो हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं उसका हमें बाइसेक्टर निकालना है. अंडरस्टूड. सो दिस बाइसेक्टर वेयर इट कट टू एडी दैट ऑफ द सम ऑफ द टू साइड्स की साइड को कहाँ कट करती है. सो दैट पॉइंट इज नथिंग बट आर सी पॉइंट. सो वी विल ज्वाइन इट so that we have got that triangle ABC. Right? Now we will move towards that of the second type when the difference is given. So I'll write that sum. You also write it down. Now write it down this sum. Here the second type we are going to construction of a triangle when its base, difference of other two sides and one base angle are given. So similarly here we are going to do, see earlier whatever for the sum we have done, so same way for difference also slightly there is change in the construction, right? So see, base is given, then one of the base angle is given, base angle. Now here two conditions are there. So when that of these two sides जो है, these two sides their difference is giving, right? So we will get difference means what? Their subtraction, right? So difference of two sides is given. At that time how we will do? See here the one sum I have written. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equals to 5 centimeter. So let us draw a one rough figure here. So BC, that base is given 5 centimeter. Then angle C is equals to 60 degree. Now see, angle C is from here to 60 degree. We will show to this side 60 degree. Then AC minus AB. So I'll join here this AC minus AB. So it is what? 1.5 centimeter. So let us draw here how we are going to do construction. The similar way what we have done for the construction of that, sum of the two sides is given at that time. So similarly we will draw here first base 5 centimeter. Right. So we will label it BC as a 5 centimeter. Now angle C is 60 degree. So C is our here, right? This side, right side. So we will draw arc or semicircle towards right side only. Right. Now yesterday I told you what to do. So that 60 degree angle will be what? So from this arc we are going to pass that 60 degree angle. We don't have to do much more construction for it, right? Just pass it very carefully. So from those points it will pass. So this is, we got 60 degree angle. So we will label it as a 60 degree over here. Now difference is what? AC minus AB is 1.5 centimeter. So after this we are going to take 1.5 centimeter distance in our compass. So difference is given, no? So that difference we will take. So we will have 1.5 centimeter distance. Good. So 1.5 here we will put on C and we will mark that 1.5 distance. Right. So whatever this point we have got, we will join. this is not our A point, right? We will write here D. This line, whatever dotted line we have drawn, so this is the third side. Just try to recall that sum of the two sides. In that, the third side, whatever we have drawn, that bisector we drawn for that segment. So similarly, we will also draw that bisector of this side. I will draw it with the help of red, so that a red sketch pen, so that it will be visible to you. Now see, I'll put here up to D or less than D. We will take a distance in a compass and we will mark arcs both the sides. Now here I'll put right. This one we will join with the help of scale. Now listen student, here this line we will draw a dotted line, right? While joining, just make sure that here the earlier side is what? Slightly bigger one. Draw it bigger. Now the side where that perpendicular bisector, where it cuts that DC, so that point we will join with the help of scale. So this is our triangle ABC. So we will here write ABC. Got it? This one what we have done, तो हमने सबसे पहले first we drawn base side or the base segment 5 centimeter. After that what we done, that 60 degree angle at C, it is at C, so we have drawn here at C that 60 degree angle, so 60 degree drawn. After that we have taken, the difference is 1.5 centimeter, so we have taken 1.5 centimeter distance in a compass and we marked on that line, right, or on that ray. So we got that 1.5, we joined it with the help of scale or dotted line, that BD. Now this BD we are going to bisect. So perpendicular bisector we drawn. Now this perpendicular bisector, wherever it touch to that DC segment, that point we will join with the B, and this whatever new point we got, this is nothing but A, right? So this in this way we got triangle ABC construction. Understood this one? Now listen, the one more type we will see. Now just I want to tell you the difference between the second construction. That one is also a difference type only. This third one construction. So in which difference only we will get, and the base angle and base side only we will get. But what slight difference is there? See, when I will get a sum, I'll write here for example another sum over here, so that it will be easy to understand you. See student, here I have written that another sum which is of same but slight difference is there. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR is equals to 6 centimeter. I'll draw a rough figure here that PQR, let us draw it. QR is 6 centimeter. So QR 6 centimeter, right? Then angle Q is 60 degree. PR minus PQ. See, I am writing here. Now here difference is given PR minus PQ equals to 2 centimeter. And in this earlier sum, what we have, I'll draw here triangle ABC 5 centimeter. This is 60 degree, and the difference was given that AC minus AB equals to 1.5 centimeter. What do you get? What is the slight change in the sum here? Yes, you are correct. Here, what is? In the earlier sum, we have seen that the 60 degree angle, जो हमें ये 60 degree angle दिया था, right? So it's one of the arm का जो measure means this is your AC, adjacent side of that angle 60 degree, right? So AC minus AB, or what we will say, the in front of or the opposite to the 60 degree angle, whatever segment is given, it is the smaller one, right? We always subtract what from bigger number that of the smaller number. So same it is. So AC, what we come to know here indirectly, AC is greater than the AB, right? So this AC, AC and here B, right? So AC is the one of the arm of the angle, and that another side which we have subtracted, it is what, that of the third side which is exactly opposite to the 60 degree angle, right? So that is subtracted it. Now here in this sum which we are going to now see how to construct it. So in this sum what we have, that PR means opposite side of the angle is subtracted from the from that side, subtracted that adjacent side of the angle. Are you getting? So 60 degree के सामने वाली जो side है, that is now greater than the adjacent side means PQ. Got it this one? So for this we are going to do construction towards the downward side. Whatever we have done construction upper side, we will do here downward side. So let us see how to construct it. So see, the construction slightly changes there. I have kept here that sum as it is. Now very first we will draw that base. So base is 6 centimeter. So we will draw here base first 6 centimeter. Take exactly measurement so that you will get the correct answer or the correct measurement of that angles or triangle. So we have drawn here QR, that is 6 centimeter, right? After QR, angle Q is 60 degree. So angle Q we will draw here 60 degree. So we will put our compass metal point on Q and we will draw one semicircle. From that we will make 3 parts of the semicircle, or you are doing one part, then also it is okay, because 60 degree part only we want. So the 60 degree angle we have drawn the so 3 parts we have done. In the question we have Q is equals to 60 degree angle. So 60 degree angle we will draw. QR we have drawn that 6 centimeter. So we will draw here 60 degree angle. So this is 60 degree angle. Now pay attention here carefully, that whatever in the question it is given, PR minus PQ is equals to 2 centimeter. See, PR, the side which is given opposite to the angle Q, that is the base angle, right? So if 60 degree के opposite angle, opposite side is given, which is greater. So here PR is greater than PQ, and PQ is where? PQ is one of the arm of the angle PQR, right? So what we will do here, so whatever construction we have seen in earlier in previous question, right? So opposite to that we will do, whenever the opposite side is greater, that time our construction we will do towards the downward side, right? So that we will increase this 60 degree angle towards downward side. Understood this one? Now we will take, see, PR minus PQ is how much? 2 centimeter. So in a compass we will take 2 centimeter distance, and we will put on a Q here, and downward side we will mark a arc, right? Now we will take with the help of pencil, we will join this new point, right? So here I'm joining here with the help of sketch pen. You don't join with the help of sketch pen or color pen. You use what? Pencils only, sharp pencils. Now, right now whatever dotted line we have drawn, so that dotted line we are going to bisect, right? Or its perpendicular bisector we will draw. So for that purpose, what we will do here, this point we got S. This is not a P. We are going to construct a triangle PQR, right? So S point, which is the different one we got. Now on the S we will keep, and up to R or less than R we will take, and two marking, that is two arcs we will draw. One is the upper side and one is downward side. So with the same distance we will put it on a R, and we will draw another arc which will intersect the previous arc. Now from this we will draw again one dotted line. So that dotted line I am drawing here with the help of red sketch pen. See. Now this dotted line, it has intersected somewhere on the upper side, right? So here it has got intersected. So this point we will join with the R. Right? Now whatever point we have got, this is nothing but P. So in this way we will construct a triangle PQR whenever that we have got here difference between the two sides. But in different cases, we have seen two types of cases. See, one more example, the previous sum which we have solved. So for that I am giving a example. So suppose here PQR, this is another triangle I am taking for example, right? This angle is given 60 degree. This is 6 centimeter, and difference between देखो PQ minus PR equals to 2 centimeter दिया है, right? From PQ we are subtracting PR. So here who is greater? PQ is greater than PR. Are you getting the difference? Here that opposite side in this sum which we have solved right now, in this opposite side of that angle is what? Greater. देखो 60 के सामने वाली साइड ये greater थी और जो adjacent side थी वो smaller थी. Here opposite thing we have that PQ, that is adjacent side, is greater than the opposite side. Got it, this one? So because of that, for this we will have construction towards upper side, right? Now you might have understood this sum how to do. Now we will move towards our next construction, that is construction of a triangle when its perimeter is given. Perimeter means what? The sum of all sides of a triangle, or sum of three sides of a triangle. So when the three sides sum is given and the base angles are given, that time how we will do construction? Let us see. See here construction of a triangle of given perimeter and base angles. So given perimeter, it is nothing but the sum of all sides of a triangle. So I'll write here perimeter equals to perimeter of a triangle equals to sum of three sides, right? So whenever a triangle is given, suppose now in this example a triangle ABC whose perimeter 10 centimeter. Sometimes perimeter word used, or sometimes it may be shown like this: AB plus BC plus CA equals to 10 centimeter. Likewise also it may give, right? So this means what? This is nothing but a perimeter only, right? So we will construct with the help of given information that triangle, right? So let us see how to construct this triangle. So here we have what? One angle, base angle is 30 degree and 60 degree angle we are going to construct. So let us first of all we will draw. Now when we will draw here the side, that is the base side, right? So it is, we are going to draw perimeter, that is whatever it is given, 10 centimeter. See, I'm just marking here first 10 centimeter distance. So 10 centimeter we got. These are not our B and C point. These are the different one. We will get B and C some other point. So I'll label here. This is as P and Q. But when we will draw here angles, so that angles will be 30 and 60 degree angle only we will draw. Right. Now this, on this P we will put a compass and we will draw that 60 degree angle, or we will show that 30 degree angle, sorry. And on Q we will show 60 degree. So let us have, we will take a sufficient distance in a compass and draw a semicircle. Then we will have the marking, that is 3 arcs we are having. So 2 arcs, sorry, and 3 parts we do. So 2 arcs I have done. Now I want 30 degree angle, right? So 30 degree means 60 ka half, 60 degree half. So this first arc, very first arc, it represents 60 degree angle. So we will put on this and we'll draw. You can change the distance if you want. So we will have here and here we will put. So we will get what? That 30 degree angle. But that 30 degree is not required now. Right. So this 30 degree angle we are again going to bisect. So 30 degree angle, here it has cut. So I'll put on this point 30 degree keep one arm and I will draw here one arc. Similarly, good. So we will draw here 15 degree angle. So what we have done, first we drawn 30 degree angle. 30 degree angle we bisect. Just try to remember the recipe of the, or in maths we will say steps to construction, but I will say the recipe for this construction, right? So what to do first, then next what? So that one I am telling. First we will draw a perimeter, that is the length whatever given. Then we will draw the base angle, that is 30 degree here given, and another angle 60 degree. So let us draw here towards the another end. We will draw 60 degree angle. Now 60 degree angle is this. So we will draw 60 degree angle. Right. But what we have done towards this side, the original angle we bisect. So here original angle is 60 degree. So that 60 degree angle we are going, without fail we are going to bisect. So let us bisect it. Now I will join with the help of red sketch pen over here. Now the next step is what? whatever bisector we have drawn, right, angle bisector, those angle bisector we are going to bisect. Means how? That their segments we are going to bisect. So this point, whatever we have got, this is nothing but our A point, right? We got out of ABC, we got A. Still we are going to show B and C angle. So B and C points we are going to show. So how we will get? So what I told you, this one, these, see, these are the segments for the bisector, right? So these segments we are going to bisect. तो segment ये इतनी है, first वाली AP. So we will take less than that and we will have marking up and down. Similarly on A point I'll put here and mark. Let us join it. We'll join with the help of dotted line because these dotted lines or these segments are not necessary or these are not helpful. Only just their intersection point is important, right? Similarly, see this red marking or this red segment I have bisect. Again, I'll just put on AQ. AQ is this much. Less than that we will take and we will have, see, marking. Now on Q we will put. Now don't change their distance. So we will have here again this their middle point we are going to join with the help of dotted line. Understood there? Understood here? Now see here. This bisectors, segment bisector, these intersect the base line at somewhere, right? So these are nothing but your B and C point, right? So let us join it with those points. Good. So this is what triangle ABC means. It means what? ये क्या हुआ? पहाड़ खोदना है और चूहा निकलता है, वैसे ये ट्रायंगल ABC एक छोटा सा हमें इसके अंदर मिला. फॉर दैट वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू डू कंस्ट्रक्शन दिस मच. So recipe I'm saying for the perimeter, construction of a triangle of a perimeter. So what we will do? First draw a line segment 10 centimeter, or we will say that perimeter draw it, right? Then what? Draw base angles. Draw base angles. Once drawn, then bisect base angles. Okay. Once we have bisected those base angles, now bisect bisector of angle. Bisect the segments. Segments we will bisect where they touch or cut to the base line. There we are going to join it. This is how we are going to construct a triangle whose perimeter is given. So you are going to just remember all those things or keep it in mind how to construct the triangle. Got it, this one? Now you might have understood how to construct a triangle when its perimeter is given. Now let us revise or let us see how what we have seen in the whole lesson. First, what we have seen in the whole lesson, that is what? Segment. Means we have taken some basic concepts. Under basic concepts, we have taken what? segment. We have drawn segment perpendicular, right, or bisector. I am using your shortcut, you don't use it. Perpendicular, or that we have drawn that one when the point is given on the line, when the point is given outside the line, that time we have drawn their perpendicular bisector, right? So that we have seen. Then second, we have seen how to draw or construct a angle. Construction of angles, right? In that we have seen how to draw that 15-degree angle, 30-degree angle, 60-degree angle, 45-degree angle, 90-degree, 105, 135. That is what? Multiple of 15 or 15 multiple, right? 15-degree multiple के angles हमने how to construct it, that we have seen. Then we have seen their bisector. So angle bisector, angle bisector, how to draw, that one also we have seen. And then we moved towards, that is our main one, construction of triangles. Actually, we have only here 3 construction of triangles, but we say there are total 4. Why? Because in the difference we have 2 different types of construction. So that's why we are saying total 4 construction in under triangles. So very first we have seen, that is when we have a base is given, base angles are given. That time how to do construction, or is it only this much information is okay? No. So, and the sum of other 2 sides. When it is given, that time how we will construct, that we have seen. So immediately we have to just have to recall all those things. So what we have seen in that, so under construction of triangle, when base, so first of all we draw a base, then base angle. So whatever base angle is given, so that we will draw, right? After base angle, what sum of the other 2 side is given. So that sum of other 2 side we are showing on this arm, right? Then we are going to join this one with the help of dotted line. After joining it, what we have done, this segment or the which we have recently joined, those 2 points, that segment we are going to bisect. So that perpendicular bisector we are going to draw. So ऐसे हमें perpendicular bisector मिलता है, right? So this perpendicular bisector, where it has intersected to the sum of 2 sides, so there that point we will join with the help of scale and pencil. So this is our original triangle. So such a type of construction we have seen for when our base angle and the sum of other 2 side is given. So likewise we do. Now the B part we have seen, that is what? When the difference is given, right? So construction of triangle, when base angle and what? Difference between other 2 sides, right? So other 2 sides means, see, this is the angle which we have drawn. Suppose this is our baseline, this is the angle which is formed, right? So when the difference is given, that is what? From this side, suppose opposite side is minus or the subtracted, right? So that time we will do the construction same as that of the sum of the two sides, right? When the difference is given, that is from this opposite side, that adjacent side is subtracted, that time we will do construction towards downward side. So likewise we have seen the these two. See here we have seen how first we have drawn base angle, right? And here again we have joined with the help of, suppose the difference is given this much, we will join this one, we are going to bisect, and this point we are going to join. But when we have the here what, that adjacent side is greater than opposite side. When this is the opposite side is given, so that time we will draw like this line, we are going to bisect, so that we will get a perpendicular bisector likewise, right? Wherever it has cut over here above, that point we will join, and this is our triangle, right? So likewise two constructions we have seen under difference. Then the third one we have seen for the perimeter or the sum of three sides or sum of three sides is given. Base angles are given. That time we have seen the construction that first we will draw perimeter, this is perimeter length, then we will draw the angles which are given. Suppose angle is 90 degree angle, suppose ZI, right? So we will draw 90 degree angle. Then 90 degree को हमें करना है bisect, we are going to bisect it, that bisector is very important, right? Then here we will draw again that 60 degree angle. So 60 degree angle we will get somewhat like this, right? This 60 degree without fail we are going to bisect. Angle bisector निकालना है, right? These two lines where it has got intersected, now इन दोनों के perpendicular bisector निकालने हैं हमें, right? And then these 2 points we are going to join likewise. So likewise we have seen the total the whole lesson we have seen. In this way the construction lesson is over. Whatever the sums from this exercise 11.2, just solve it as a homework. Understood? If you have any doubt, so you can clear your doubts in doubt session whenever it is conducted at that time. Thank you.